As President Emmerson Mnangagwa prepares to chair the extraordinary SADC Head of State and Government Summit next week, the focus will be on critical regional challenges, including the future of the SADC mission in Democratic Republic of Congo, recently elections in Mozambique and Botswana, and the upcoming polls in Namibia. Sanabina mashoko atinoti vakomana vataura pamusoro pesummit chachiwa nemutungamiri wenyika chitova munyika muno meZimbabwe. Sanabina mashoko amidanyurwa muno muZimbabwe. Ibva subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipina bana murava mudanyura vachiti. However, despite these pressing issues, the summit has potential to address ongoing regional setbacks, particularly in Mozambique, remains in doubt, given the SADC's track record of inaction in the face of escalating crises. The SADC mission, which has been tasked with supporting the DRC government in stabilizing the volatile western region, will be a central topic as its mandate nears expiration at the end of December. SADC leaders will likely review the mission's progress and consider renewing its mandate. The situation in the DRC, however, continues to deteriorate with the militia violence and instability persisting in the region. At the same time, recent elections in Mozambique have drawn significant attention. Held on 9 October, these polls were met by allegations of electoral irregularities and concerns about the ruling party's control over the process persists. SADC's response to these concerns, particularly in Mozambique, has been underwhelming. The regional body has repeatedly failed to take meaningful action when member states experience political instability or military setbacks, such as in Mozambique's northern Cabo Delgado province, where insurgents and violence continue to plague the country. The SADC summit chaitwa munyika yeZimbabwe vachiona kuti aiwa apo kunangana zvine musoro zvavanomboita ndoda kuti tichibva kuDRC kuMozambique panapa kuchiona kuti SADC inenge ichingosiya nyaya sezvadziri pachiitika maelectoral fraud inongoita sesiyapindira but panakana resolution yainopa. Tinze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinda kumesection medu, subscribe or like, and turn the bell icon.